Hi Sweetness, Dad here. This is my current favorite gun. It's a KE Arms, What Would Stoner Do carbine rifle. But back in 2017, these guys, Carl Casarda on InRange TV and Ian McCollum from Forgotten Weapons got together with Russell Fagan. He's the Sinistral Rifleman, and he's the guy with KE Arms out of Arizona. And they went and they got hold of this GWAX Armory monolithic polymer lower, and they made this really lightweight. This weighs 1 pound 11 ounces. This lower, I got this lower from Brownell. Brownell's handles all of their stuff, and I got this lower from Brownell's. Is a $450 lower that they were selling on Father's Day for $150. So I got it. It's got this ambidextrous 45 degree. Oh, just check. Yes, he's loaded. Danger check. Okay. All right. It has this ambidextrous mag release for those people who like it. It's got this really nice, they call it SLT. I forget what SLT stands for, but it's a really nice trigger. It's a competition trigger. And they got this Ballistic Advantage lightweight barrel. It's a really thin barrel, really lightweight, and this carbon fiber handguard, and it doesn't have a forward assist on it and all this. This weighs 3 pounds 6 ounces. So put together, this rifle just by itself, without a sight, without a mag, without a sling, without a light, it's 5 pounds 1 ounce. I mean, theirs is like 5 pounds or 4 pounds 15 ounces. I don't know how they get, because I have not been able to get one of these at 5 pounds. Well, 5 pounds 1 ounce is still pretty good. So it's a really nice. It has a mid-length gas system, so while the lightweight does, it does have a slightly harder recoil impulse, but it's only a 223 or 5.56. So you're only shooting a 55 grain bullet. So even the lightest of 5.56 223 is not going to have a very strong recoil impulse, but it does have a harder recoil impulse than a heavier rifle would. But it's so easy to pick up and carry around and say, what would Stoner do? Oh, and the upper, the KE Arms, they had these on sale for, I don't remember now, it was sub $1,000, but I got this on Father's Day sale, so I got the whole gun for a really nice price. I'm trying one of these Inforce lights, see if I like. So far I like it pretty good. I got one for Napoleon, he really likes it. And then I got this Primary Arms. This is the One Power Prism Optic. So far I really like it a lot. And it's just it is a nice gun to shoot. It shoots really well, it shoots fast. You don't see any brass on there because the brass is flipping that way out of it. I don't know if that means it's overgassed or undergassed or what, but the brass does not flip backwards, it flips that way, which is why there's no brass mark on there. So this is a nice gun. You will like it. You'll probably like this one more than Napoleon will, or maybe, I don't know, maybe Lauren will like it, but whatever. Napoleon's going to be fair when it comes time to divvy up guns. Alright, well, I love you. You'll be here in a couple weeks. Can't wait to see you. You'll have fun, a nice time shooting this one, and I can't wait to see you. Bye.